Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ETH balance after contract self-destruct claims, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your ETH balance after a contract self-destruct claim, first, ensure you have access to your wallet. Open your wallet application or interface where your ETH is stored. Locate your wallet's private key or seed phrase. If you don't already have it, retrieve your private key or seed phrase from a secure location. Next, check if your wallet supports importing or recovering using your private key or seed phrase. If applicable, open the wallet interface and go to the recovery or import section. Enter your private key or seed phrase carefully. Once entered, confirm that the wallet recognizes your ETH balance. If you still see a zero balance, proceed to the next step. Visit a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to confirm your current ETH balance on the Ethereum network. Input your wallet address into the search bar on the blockchain explorer. Review the transaction history to identify any contracts that might have led to the balance issue. If the contract was destroyed and you can recover funds, locate any related transactions. For recovery, you may need to interact with another smart contract that can access the funds. Consider using contract interaction tools like Remix or MyEtherWallet. If you are comfortable with coding, deploy a simple contract to recover funds, referencing the destroyed contract. Alternatively, reach out to a professional or community for support if you are unfamiliar with smart contract interaction. Once your ETH is restored, confirm your balance again using the wallet interface or blockchain explorer. Make sure to secure your wallet and backups to avoid similar issues in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.